उधर बना लूं. Now this is the example number 8. Here we are having a tuple with these value, and after that we are using a sorted function here. When you will you will use the sorted function. The J will contain a list of the elements. How it will be sorted? As the ASCII code of capital numbers is less than the smaller numbers, so the capital values will appear like this. The first value will be this, second will be this, and third will be this, and fourth is this. This is a small, like this. It will be a list. Now then S is an empty string. It is containing nothing. Then we are using a for loop with an operator passing a J. J is a sequence. This whole will be replaced by J. Now due to the membership operator, the first value of J will come into the X. So the value of X will become this. As it is a string, so it will have these index numbers. Then it is coming down again, checking 0th index number of X is upper. Yes, it is upper. Condition is satisfied, it will come here. First it will calculate this one, X 0 to lower. That means converting the 0 index of X into a lower case, it will be converted into a lower case. In the string it cannot be converted, as the strings are the immutable data type. Okay. Then here we are doing a slicing from one index number till n. So this is the one index number till n. That means you are taking a slice and we are adding this one. So it will be like this. And then we are adding this value into the S. The whole statement will be like this. As S is a empty string, so what the value S will get here? Only this one. So the value of S is Avi here. Okay, and now this condition is satisfied, so the control will not come on this one, and as you can see the indentation after this, it will move for the second value. This will be. Now again the loop is moving and the X will have Sumit. So the new value of X is what? This. With these index number, as it is in string. Again checking for upper, X0 is upper, condition satisfied, so it will come here and convert the 0th index number into the small one. This is finding a slicing from 1 till n, so this one will be concatenation, so it will be concatenated and the result will be like this. Okay, now the S is containing this one. Now you are doing S equals to S plus. Now what is the previous value of S? It was Avi, and now we are doing this one. So what will be the total value? It will be Avi and Sumit in the string. And as you can see, it is having a comma also. It will be separated by comma. Now this is the current value of S right now. Now the next value which will come in the X is Amit. Now again the X is containing what? Amit like this. String 0, 1, 2, 3, and here it will be -1, -2, -3 and -4. So it is going on this condition, checking the 0th index of X is upper, condition is false, it is coming here, and then it is checking for this lower. Now condition is satisfied. When the condition is satisfied, it will come down and make a 0th character in the upper case. That means it will be A. And then addition, concatenation, we are doing a slicing here. As you can see, the first index number taken here is -1 to 0. As you know, it will not move till this index number. Less than this index number it will move. Okay, so -1 to 0, that means it will move till 1, and then this is a backward indexing movement. That means from -1 it will start and it will move till 1. That means this value. Okay, when it is 0, so less than 0 it will be, so it will be 1. Less than 0, here it will come, it will be 1. This is the slicing here. So A, and then the slicing, so T, I and M. Now this is the value, and now the statement is S equals to S plus. Now what is the value of S right now? The value of S is this that means this whole is concatenated with this one. So, and plus this also, every time we are having a comma here and there. So after doing this one, the value of S will become this plus this, that means A T I M N comma. Again the loop will move up and the X will become V M I T 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, like this. Again it is checking the zeroth index is upper, false, is lower, true, is lower, true, that means make it in a upper case, and then do slicing, reverse slicing, minus 1 to 0, that means minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, this means till here. So you have to concatenate it plus this one, the whole concatenation will be T, I, M and comma. This whole is this one. Now add it with S equals to S plus, now the current S is this, and add in this value also. So what it will be? It will be V, T, I, M and comma. After the loop, when you will print your J, the J is this. When you will print your S, the S is what? This. And when you will print S dot split, and split by default do on the basis of what? Space, as it is not having a space, then no output. And if suppose that we are having a comma here, suppose that we are doing it in the comma, then the answer will be, it will be Avi for the first one, and then Sumit, and then this one ATIM, as it is doing on this basis. Then the next one is this, and again on this basis, as there is nothing, it will be a empty one, like this whole will be the answer if we are having comma as a separator in the split.